So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your MetaQuest is just not connecting to your phone. Now, in this case, we're talking about the MetaQuest 3S, but this can happen with any phone and any headset. The number one thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that your headset and your phone are near each other. As long as they're near each other, as long as they have Bluetooth and all that stuff turned on, that is the main thing to keep in mind. Your MetaQuest is almost always going to have Bluetooth on, but make sure that your phone itself also has Bluetooth enabled at all times, because if it's not, then that's going to be an issue. So make sure your Bluetooth's enabled, that's the number one thing. On top of that, make sure you're going through and having your Meta Horizon application, on, and make sure it's updated. So this is another problem that a lot of people can have. So what I'd recommend doing here is just going through, downloading the Meta Horizon application and updating it, as often as you can. Updating this application is one of the most important things to do, and that in and of itself can end up fixing the problem for you. So that's another very important thing I'd recommend for you to do as well. Now, on top of that, once you're done with that, the next thing I'd recommend doing is going back into your MetaQuest and going through and seeing if you can update this headset. There might just be a problem with the headset itself, and you might just have to go through and update it. So try doing that. You want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. And like I said, for a lot of people, that might end up doing it. You can also try seeing if you can restart the headset. So hold down the side button here, power off your headset completely. You might want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too, because like I said, for a lot of people, things like that can randomly have some issues, and you might just want to see if that ends up fixing it for you. And if that still doesn't work, you can try seeing if there's an issue with the Meta, application with Meta servers. You can try seeing if, you can go to downdetector.com, isitdownrightnow.com, or those types of websites. You can see if one of these, either the operating system is down or this is down. So pretty much the main things to do here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.